Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 9. There are 102 teachers in a school of 3300 students. Find the ratio of the number of teachers to the number of students. You have to find the ratio of number of teachers to the number of students. Let us solve this problem. Now here number of teachers, ratio of number of teachers, number of teachers, number of teachers to the number of students, to the number of students. Number of teachers is 102 and number of students is 3300. Here is 2 plus 1 3, that means this is divisible by 3, and here 3 plus 3 is 6, that is also divisible by 3. Therefore we divide this number by 3, that is 3 3 is 9, and 10 3 4 is 12. And this one is also divisible by 3, that is 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 0 0. Right? You divide it again by 2, that is 2 1 is 2, 2 7 is 14. And divide it by 2, we are getting 2 5 is 10, right? 10, 2 5 is 10, 0, right? That is 17 by 550. 17, this is 17, we have this one. This is 17. This is 17. 17 by 550. 550. Right? We cannot divide more than that. Therefore, find the ratio of the number of teachers to the number of students. Therefore, you can say that therefore the ratio of the number of teachers to the number of students to the number of students is 17 is to 550. 550. Here you can write also, that is 17 is to 550. Right? This is the solution of question number 9 of exercise 12.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.